YouTube, it's me again, chewing gum, because I get to chew gum. My kids don't steal it all. What I got today, I got a tool for you. Something cool. I seen them online, but I didn't think I'd find one. Actually, I think I have one, but not like this. Here, let me fold it down here. Whee! This is a chain breaker. A little spinny thing. Whee! Ralphie, you might like this. Look. Harley Davidson. And there's just some weird code on the other side. Pretty cool, huh? A friend of mine who sells antiques showed up and gave it to me. I actually, as much as I never thought I'd use one of these, there's actually a lot of chain laying around my scrap bin I might want to just mess around with. Little kids' bike chains. And pretty cool. I would have never, like, if I would have seen one of these, like, just laying there, I'd be like, what the hell kind of nutcracker is that? I mean, who the hell eats nuts that small? They spin around, but it's not a nutcracker. So that's the only thing I have left on the tool menu. Yeah, just for scale. It's pretty big. So, if you like my channel, like, subscribe. I'm always buying weird tools. I'm also always using them. So, stay tuned. I got a lot more stuff. Thanks for watching.